back to my channel. So as you guys should have just saw, I just gave you guys a quick unboxing of this hair right here, as well as like a mini tutorial of how I customized this unit. First of all, your girl is sick, so if I'm not as animated or you know I sound a little stuffy, that is the reason why. Your girl has been sick for a while. So I also want to let you guys know this will be a part 1 to a 2-part video series, or I guess that's what you could call it. So this video I was just showing you guys the unboxing, as well as, you know, me doing the mini tutorial and giving you guys an initial review of this hair, which is what I'm gonna do soon. But in the part 2 video I should be styling this unit, so I haven't decided exactly how I'm gonna style it just yet. But again, I wanted to give you guys an initial review of my thoughts because I didn't want to forget. So yeah, I'm gonna do that right now. Now part 2 might actually be uploaded with this video. I might give you a part 1 and part 2 on the same day. So we'll see. You know, your girl is sick, but I'm trying to get these videos out for you guys, especially before, you know, Thanksgiving. That's why I'm actually putting this video out on Wednesday instead of Thursday, because I know Thursday for Thanksgiving we're going to be enjoying our time with our families, and I didn't want to, you know, put the video up on Thursday, which is what I normally do. And so yeah, let's just jump right into all these deets. So this hair is courtesy of WONDESS. I want to say it's wondess.com. They were kind enough to send me their Brazilian body wave in a 16-inch free part lace closure, a 20 and then 222 inches. So yeah, I did get a closure in 3 bundles. As you guys saw, the hair did come more, you know, wavier than it looks right now. Right now I just put some water on it because I wanted to again show you guys the hair in its natural state, and this is what the natural state ended up being. Now there is barely a curl or a wave in this hair, so I'm slightly disappointed. I know sometimes with body wave, like the waves that you see when you first install the hair, like when I made this unit, I would have loved if those waves would have stayed in, but that wasn't the case. And so yeah, that's why I'm absolutely going to style this unit. Another thing that I did is I didn't bleach the knots because I wanted to know if I noticed any like significant difference or anything. And so I didn't bleach the knots. I did pluck the unit, as you guys saw. However, I think I might go in and bleach the knots. It's not blending as much as I would like it to. I don't know if that shows on camera. So just so you guys know, I didn't glue this unit down or anything. So I just put this unit on to make it as presentable as possible so that I could give you guys my initial review. I didn't do everything that I normally would do to make it, like, you know, pop. Like, I didn't lay down the flyaways. I didn't make it as nice and neat as it could because I'm about to take it right off and then customize it. So yeah, I did as least as possible to this unit so you guys can see it in its original state with me doing very minimal work to it. I absolutely love this hair though. I love the fact that I can run my hands through it. I'm not getting any you know, tangles or anything. I don't think I experienced any type of shedding. I did pluck the unit, so that was the only hair that I think, you know, came out of this unit. Yeah, I love this unit. It's very soft. I love the length of it. I love how it gives the layered look with the inches that I received. And so yeah, I look forward to styling it, and yeah, so hopefully you guys like it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think about it, and make sure you guys check out part 2 of this video and see how I styled this unit. And I hope to see you guys in my next video.